Hello tech lovers, today's video is on E99 Pro to Mini Drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Nowadays, drones are an inseparable part of some of us. It cuts a great part of our life. According to needs, situation, and budget, people chooses different size and different types of drones. In some situations, proper drones are preferable, and in some situations, mini drones are preferable. Today, we are discussing an amazing mini-budget drone. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. In centimeters, its expanded size is 18 by 26 by 5.5 cm. And in centimeters, its folded size is 12 by 10 by 5 cm. It has high-definition dual camera. These cameras will without a doubt provide you with a better creative space. The front camera has a 75-degree angle that can be adjusted manually. With the bottom camera, you can get rid of the fixed perspective. You will get a panoramic view of the beauty. This drone has a modular battery. This modular battery is designed in a great way that you can easily install it and will get ease in taking it out too. So you will be able to use it for a long time by using multiple batteries easily, one after the other, and enjoy flying drones for a long time. The battery is provided with a 1800 mAh capacity that can provide about 20 minutes of battery life. Now it is time to discuss various functions of E99 Pro 2 Mini Drone. Image transmission is a necessary feature in a drone. It keeps the operators connected with flying the drone. It provides live views of different scenery. Without image transmission, it becomes boring to fly a drone. Having this amazing feature, you will be able to view aerial images in real life. Intelligent fixed height suspension provides a stable and fixed flight. These stable flights are very important in many situations. They are required in specific incidents and for different scenery. It also provides clear and unshaken pictures and videos that is also precious. Having this amazing feature on this drone, the drone will provide you more stable shooting performance. This drone has two color varieties, and both of them are beautiful. You will get it in gray color and black color. Both of them look professional with these colors. Beauty filter is a feature that some people like and some people doesn't. But frankly speaking, it is a useful feature. It applies various filters and beauty effects to provide with great shots. You can make someone beautiful and touching instantly. The app has a variety of filters and beauty effects. After the shooting, it will bring you better shooting experience. Having zooming ability is a necessity. It provides clarity of distance views. This drone is provided with 50 times zooming ability, which is very necessary. After clicking the MV button on the screen on the operation page, enter the MV interface. You can view the video, add background music and special effects, cropping, etc. Gesture recognition. Gesture photo. The gesture photo feature can be considered one of the favorite features of photo enthusiasts. It is also liked by people who love adventure and click photos through their journey. It makes clicking photos easy. You won't have to click any buttons repeatedly to click photos. It is a shortcut and an effective way to click pictures without any hassle. Aim at the drone camera while flying, and the corresponding gestures can be used to take pictures. You can show your fist to capture photo, and show your palm to capture a video. The waypoint flight feature is a regular feature that is liked by most drone operators. It makes the controlling process easy, and gives you the ability to operate your drone easily without having many problems. You have to set some waypoints, and the drone will fly according to those waypoints. As usual, having this specific feature in this drone provides you the ability to customize the flight waypoint. Click the track you want to fly, and that's it. Controlling a drone through a phone is a fun thing to do. You get the opportunity to control your drone with your favorite phone. Everyone has smartphone now, so no accessibility problem will happen here. This particular drone is equipped with a safe and stable mobile control program. One-click features are easy and helpful features. It helps a lot in different situations. It helps the most in emergency moments. At emergency moments, you can instantly return your drone with this feature. In this drone, you can take off and land your drone with one touch via remote control. and no cumbersome operation. It is really an easy control system. Who doesn't love to see stunts? And when it is performed by a drone, it is more exciting to watch. It is fun to watch a drone doing 360-degree roll in the mid-sky. It also captures great clips while doing this stuff. The E99 Pro 2 has a built-in stunt rollover program that can achieve 360-degree in the air with just one touch. The stunts are tumbling enough to make you look. It has a gravity sensor, and you can swing your device in front, back, left, and right directions to control your drone's flight. You will get the speed controlling ability. The folded design and the look of this drone are great. It has 2 color variations, and both of them are great. In short, the design is great. Headless mode is a useful feature in a drone. You can take the direction of the remote control as the center. The control is simpler with this feature. Highlight LED night light. It has beautiful highlight LED night light. With these highlight night lights, you can fly your drone at night too. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are: great gesture photo feature, great portability and design, great image transmission ability, one key takeoff and landing. The cons are: the camera quality could be better, smart following could be improved. In short, this product is an elite quality mini drone. It has great features, and they are necessary nowadays. Provides great flight time, great picture resolution, and all the other great features at a budget price. So, you can always give it a try. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.